right if you can't take time. Time moves steady, it'll be there tomorrow. Time is a shapeshifter in my mind. I've taken more than I should borrow these days. Through your long black hair. Time is a ghost in moments when you are around, but I know it'll come right back. Ignoring it's the only way to kill it, but then it rears its head. It was only hiding, it isn't dead, it's never dying. Washed up to shore like the long-lost tide. The wind carries me like a babe to your doorstep. Thank the great spirit in the sky that I didn't take time to ask where I was going. And then you show your face. You were only hiding. I miss this taste. You were so inviting. Some space to find some light inside a place where time is dying. Thanks a lot, everybody. That was our song Time Traveler's Folk Blues from our 2020 album Wind City Airport. You can check out our brand new album, just came out last month. It's called Projection. You can download a digital copy on Bandcamp. You can also pick up a CD or a vinyl if you like physical media. Or if you prefer to stream it, like most people do these days, you can go to all those ubiquitous streaming websites. You don't even need to tell you their names. You already know them. Anyway, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye.